Guys, we know that you're always on the lookout for the coolest new gadgets. You're always trying them out, how they can improve your life, and constantly coming across new ones. It can be really hard to keep up with the newest gadgets that come out each year, but you can still keep up with them by checking up on our channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 of the coolest gadgets that every man would appreciate. Let's get started. Number 1. Sniper Watches. Design-wise, the Sniper One watch is strikingly similar to a less expensive version of the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore, and its primary design cues inspired by sniper rifles and their accessories. The crown, which mimics one of the scope's adjustment knobs, is only one of its many impressive features. The Sniper One's bold, humorous, readable, and tactical design may have lost some of its luster with time, but it's still an attractive and functional option. The Sniper One has an AR-coated sapphire crystal that covers the dial and the case back, making it resistant to water pressure up to 100 meters. Number 2. Stinger Tracking Pen. For quite some time, carrying emergency equipment like a seatbelt cutter and window breaker has been common practice. Existing emergency gadgets suffer from the issue that their location is quickly forgotten. The Stinger is a unique emergency escape gadget that can be used in normal situations. In an automobile accident, the Stinger can be used to free yourself from the vehicle and get out safely. The spring-loaded punch may be used with minimal effort, giving you precious seconds to get out of the car. Tempered glass is the only type that the Stinger can break. It's not made to shatter car windows or laminated safety glass. If, for some reason, you're unable to release your seatbelt, the emergency escape kit has a razor-sharp blade to help you do so. Number 3. Wanwu Nuclear Tank Fidget Spinner. Next, we have the best fidget work toys for the office to help you concentrate and calm down during long phone conversations and meetings. The Wanwu Nuclear Tank Fidget Spinner. This anxiety ring is so fine that it may spin on your finger without anyone noticing. This premium fidget spinner is compact and lightweight enough to take everywhere you go. This spinning fidget toy can spin with only one hand. Unlike other fidget spinners, fidget toys are stress balls, and it's compact enough to carry about easily. In terms of build quality, the Wanwu fidget spinner stands out. Its aluminum alloy body is CNC machined and anodized for corrosion resistance. Before we move on to the next device, we want to warn you that this spinner is highly addictive. It's great for releasing stress and stopping behaviors like fidgeting, nail biting, and leg twitching, and it makes a great present for the office. Number 4. Screwdriver King. Has the idea of DIY been intriguing, but you still need to find the perfect toolkit to get you going? Be prepared for anything by making your pocket a utility belt. It not only allows you to bring everything you'll need, but it also enables you to switch out whatever tools you don't want to bring with you. Ingeniously made with you in mind, Screwdriver King is a game changer in the tool world. This tool allows you to inspect the issue and its possible resolution simultaneously. Incredibly efficient, it only takes a flick of your finger to access any of the available tools. The Screwdriver King is built to last and looks great despite its hefty toolkit. In this manner, everyone has access to a reliable multi-tool for doing little fixes around the house. Number 5. Xeter Spark. It might be a pain to lug along many light sources in the great outdoors. Many illumination tools include flashlights, headlamps, bicycle lights, lanterns, etc. If you need help, Xeter Spark will be there to provide it. Spark's modular holder system for its lights means you can bring along just one piece of gear and still be prepared for practically any emergency, letting you pack less and experience more of the great outdoors. The Spark Core is a standalone gadget that can take on various illuminating appearances when combined with other Spark holders. Spark's innovative design makes it easy to attach to metal surfaces and make precise adjustments with minimal effort. Thanks to its magnetic nature, Spark can be quickly and easily attached or removed. The time it takes to switch from one accessory to another is negligible, while yet being secure enough for regular use. The connection is a nice touch. That's it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. See you in the next video.